Can I have a hot dog? Hot dog.
Do you ever have a pack of ramen noodles and no way to boil the water? Well, you should try out the all-new Death Cable 3000, now available on 2hz.ca. In all seriousness though, do not try anything you see in this video. It could cause serious injury and even death if you don't know what you're doing. Step 1 to creating a death cable. Find the nearest electronic device that requires wall power. Step 2 is to grab some scissors and cut off a decent length of cable. And step 3 is to snip back some of the insulation covering the ends of your cable, exposing the conductive copper inside. The first food item we cooked was a hot dog. In order to have something to stick into it, we tied a nail to each end of the death cable.
What's up, guys? Burning hot dog.
Unplug it real quick.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey?
More? Plug in like
Just
all the
plug
way.
All the way.
Maybe if we galvanize, man.
Right there.
Just my one thing.
Did?
I don't see anything happening.
Oh. I don't see anything happening. Let's test the breaker again.
Use an alarm. Well, actually.
Oh, wow. Feel the metal. That wasn't that. That came right out of the fridge. What's this one? Yeah.
Oh, so just keep going. Just leave it in for a bit longer. Why am I gonna touch the metal? Oh,
There's like heat waves coming up. Oh, shit.
Do you want to check now?
Sure.
Just unplug it for a sec. Oh, you hear it?
Yeah.
Sizzling away. There we go. Oh, it smells so bad.
Yeah, it's like fucking. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, right in the. Yeah. Right there.
Well, that's where we want to eat, so we heat.
Yeah, good.
Now that it's closer, it's actually bubbling out of there.
Wow, it's moving. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it in my hand. Oh!
Just like right there.
That's on.
This is a hot dog and a half right here. It's split open.
The first test went pretty well. The hot dog got a pretty decent internal temperature, though I would have liked it more cooked.
Went in. Oh. It's hot. It's actually like hot.
Yeah, cut off that shit.
All that galvanized steel is gone now.
Yeah.
So, these are our two pieces of. Oh, no!
It smells like char. Electricity. It's not bad, it's just warm.
It tastes like ass.
Yeah.
For the second test, we attached 2 pieces of copper to the death cable in order to get more surface area.
Oh. It's bubbling and is there already a hole in the bottom?
Probably.
Look. It's freaking with the color a lot though. Oh shit.
Keep going.
That's actually cooking it. Yeah, seems like it's drying out now.
Shit.
Color.
It's actually like cooking. Besides around the copper, it's like
Yeah, just outside.
gray meat. Ow.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's like hot. Instantly.
Oh! Plug.
Unplugging and plug back in.
That test cooked much faster than the nail and even got a nice external sear, though both of them tasted off, probably due to electricity's ability to completely change the chemistry of food.
It's just
Burnt meat.
That was not bad. The other one was worse probably because it was stuck to the freaking 120 volt for a year.
And the last food item we attempted was ramen. For this, we left one of the copper plates on and left the bare cable for the other lead.
Yeah, we might need a bigger other side.
In order to make the water more conductive, we added the broth pack. This will speed up the boiling process dramatically.
Oh, the end is definitely.
Alright. Look at that. Wow. Okay.
After a few seconds of boiling, we noticed the water had begun to change from yellow to green due to the copper reacting to the water, sodium content, and electricity, greatly speeding up the oxidation process of the copper plate and wire, creating a patina that mixed in with the water.
Wow. Jeez. Oh, did you see that
Arcing off
spray?
for ramen?
Look how green it is. This is sick. The water's like burning my arm when it splashes out. It's quite hot.
Oh, that's so hot. Feel the bowl. Look at that. Frying, searing ramen.
See this?
I don't want to see it.
You can see it like spark off the ramen.
Yeah. Fucking toasting ramen noodles.
So what's the conclusion then? Don't fucking do it. Electricity cooked food tastes like shit. It's not healthy, nor is it safe to do. This video is brought to you by us and our new merch store. Go to 2hz.ca to check out our new selection of high-quality apparel, including our all-new zip-up hoodie. If you order during the week this video goes live, you will be able to save up to 25% on select items. That's 2hz.ca or use the top link in the description below. Thanks for watching.